What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mac. Another production out here on a glorious Sunday morning. Not a lot of traffic, only because it's Sunday morning. I'm with my boy Vic out here on the M package. What a shot right there, isn't that? But we're about to head out and meet up with some people in Jersey. A few more. BMW is going to be out there too. Going to be doing some pulls, and I think we may ride up into the mountains. We'll see how it goes, man. But we should have some fun. So let's get it popping.
Well, we linked up with some folks out here, and it's some serious business out this piece. Got a dope 1100 factory over here. Got an M1000, a wingless M1000 over here. Ducati V4Rs. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a V4R. That's a V4. My set out here. Yeah, we got Vick's M package out here. And then another R1M. Dope. We got another bike pulling up. Looks like a Street Fighter. It's some comp out here, man. This is gonna be tough for me to get any dubs out here. This is some serious bikes. But you know, Mac is up to the challenge.
We got some work to do today, baby. This is at least, I don't know, $150,000 to $250,000 worth of bikes out here, and we're gonna get it going. I haven't really seen these. Well, I've seen these bikes before, but not all in one place in the Northeast like this. Usually, you find bikes like this at bike meets going down south. But we're gonna get it popping, y'all. We are going to get it popping. Got the Aprilia and the V4 going at it. See what we got. Oh, I guess I'm racing them. On top, but what can you expect with an 1100 factory? Good run! Good run! Good run! Definitely a good run. With a set of 1100 factory? Good run. Definitely a good run. I thought I had him too, but he just came right on my right side. One more time, boy. One more time. but you got it, you got it. Hey, that wasn't that bad against the V4r, man. This is yours?
Yeah.
Oh, you and Betty both got 22s? Oh my gosh.